Wake up! My Brawl Stars PowerPoint slideshow is today.
Hey yo, Zach on the beat.
I like live. Shout out to my leaky bums out here, man. This is for you. I'm dissing Stinky Winky right now, man. Think you raise me or hell no? Come and lick a bum with the cookie nose. I'm in the studio, fucking stop. Stinky, you're pussy. I'm not pansexual, I'm mansexual. What a coincidence that you slayed a booker. Call it booklet. Wow. I fucked Rebecca in the ass and he took it. I just fucked my last chick. I just fucked my that's me burning, it's burning, do not fucking look at it. It hurts really bad, it starts burning, it starts going on fire and then you die. Stinky's a bitch. You were a bitch. It's all you, Rebecca. I know you took it in the ass, you water GG's, easy win. Wake up! Ghost is just the chill guy.